Hi, I'm Stephen Tan from Space Defenders, here to present to you what Team Space Defenders has implemented and accomplished in the time since Milestone 1. In Milestone 1, we presented to you our initial prototype of the game as well as an initial game gym environment. Today we have a showcase of what we have implemented so far in our game of Space Defenders. For the overall game experience, we have included sound and background music into the game, which can be toggled on and off using the settings menu. Difficulty scaling has also been implemented to allow customization of difficulty for each individual player. For classic mode, first up we have smoothed out the gameplay and fleshed out the experience to make the mobs move in a more polished manner. We have also added the iconic mothership to the classic mode to give the authentic feel of the classical Space Invaders experience. Secondly, for Endless Mode, we have revamped the Endless Mode with new gameplay mechanics, including power-ups and a more stable level progression for the player. Power-ups include an extra life, increased bullets shooting speed, and a shield for the player. Each wave will drop at least one power-up in order to allow the player's abilities to scale along with the waves. This mode will be used as a baseline for the upcoming story mode of the game as well. For 2-player modes, if you want to play this exciting game with your friends, wait no further. We have implemented the 2-player co-op mode for you to play with your friends and save us all from this alien terror. For the more competitively minded, we also have PvP modes available for you to test your mettle against one another. For AI development, so far we have created a framework for the AI to interface the game environment and created a few modes for the AI to train on using the gym environment. We have tried a few different models so far on the game environment, including deep queue networks and an evolutionary search technique. So far, evolutionary search has been shown to be most effective. For our technical stack, Pygame was used for rendering the gameplay, the animations, and the graphics. To build the AI, we used OpenAI Gym to make the AI training agents training environment. PyTorch was used to provide the neural network infrastructure backbone for the agent, and NumPy is used for fast array computations involved. OpenCV was also used for image pre-processing and video playback, and Matplotlib was used for visualizing data and debugging. We used multiprocessing and async I/O from base Python language to parallelize the code for rendering and back-end loading. Socket server sockets and Pickle were used for sending data across the network for our online mode pending completion. SQLite tree is used for storing items in the database for our leaderboard and settings. PyUnit was used to assist for unit testing our code base. Logging was used also to assist in debugging, and cx_freeze was used for compilation of Python code to an executable for Linux and Windows-based systems. For our planned future features, we'll work on polishing the game up and integrating a powerful AI model into the game to act as a good companion as well as a competitor to the player. Furthermore, a storyline is in the works and will be integrated into the game as a new gameplay mode for the game. We will also be looking to integrating an online PvP mode into the gameplay and perhaps even a co-op mode. Thank you.